This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Open the tailgate and lift out the floor panel. Unscrew the retainer and lift out the spare wheel. The jack and tools are located in the storage compartment on the right-hand side of the luggage compartment. Open the cover and lift out the tools. Where applicable, use the tool provided to pull the plastic trim from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the notch in the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then rotate the handle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the wheel bolts and remove the wheel. Place the punctured wheel under the door sill in case the jack fails. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert the wheel bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the punctured wheel, then rotate the handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts securely. Align the notch in the trim with the tyre valve, then press the trim firmly into place. Stow the tools and close the panel cover. Lower the punctured wheel into place and secure it with the retainer. Refit the floor panel and close the tailgate. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.